I used to have short hair, but I've been growing my hair out for a while now, and my hair has grown so well in a short period of time, which is all thanks to a good hair care regimen, which includes my rosemary hair water. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make and use rosemary water for my hair growth. So I started by adding my rosemary into a jar. Now, any type of rosemary you can do. You can either use the fresh rosemary leaf or the dry rosemary leaf or this crushed dry rosemary. Yes, I added that into my jar, about 1 tablespoon, because I do not like to make plenty. I like to make just enough for about 3 to 4 days, so it's still fresh. And then I added my hot water into the jar, and I mixed it and kept it to sit for a while, after which I strained it and added it to my spray bottle. Yes, so I always like to have my hair braided whenever I'm using this rosemary hair spray, because this hair spray is much more beneficial if you are using it directly on your scalp. Yes, so you want to have your hair braided and then you are spraying this rosemary water generously on your scalp, generously everywhere on your scalp, and then you massage thoroughly. Spray it generously and massage it thoroughly. Massage it very, very, very well. And then I like to also seal in my moisture. So I seal in my moisture by using oil on my scalp. Yes, I use the my homemade rosemary oil that contains mint and rosemary infused in olive oil, as well as a little bit of lavender essential oil. Yeah, so that is my homemade egg growth oil that I use in locking the moisture. Now I use my hair spray, my rosemary hair spray, for about 3 to 4 days in a week. 3 to 4 days in a week, and then I lock in my moisture, as you can see. Rosemary is an aromatic herb that contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Now, one of its many benefits is that it tends to stimulate hair growth and also stimulates blood supply to the hair follicles, thereby strengthening the hair and reducing hair fall. So, if you're suffering from hair loss or hair breakage, dandruff, or thinning hair, this simple remedy is going to help. With consistency and a good hair care regimen, all your hair issues is definitely going to be a thing of the past. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are going to be trying this simple rosemary hair water for hair growth. And if you have tried it before, how was it? What do you think about this hair growth? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.